If you have kids, I know you're dealing with stains on your upholstery, clothing, blankets, everywhere. There can be stains. And Active has a fantastic messy stain remover that they just gifted me. And I love everything from this brand, as they definitely do what they promise, and they are well loved for good reason. They are made in the USA, fantastic products for your pets and kids, and they really do work. Now, this is their Active stain remover, and it really is as simple as spraying it on, waiting a little while, and giving it a dab. Let me show you. Now, this really is designed to clean out a lot of stains: food, drink, grass, mud, ink, and more, and you can use it on anything. And how you're going to use it is you want to clean up as much mess as possible before spraying it, then spray it directly and wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then gently blot the stain and rinse the area with cold water. Launder if appropriate. And it is free from bleach, phosphates, dyes, and perfumes. It really is designed for multiple surfaces and is good for most fabrics. So I'm gonna see how well it can do on these food stains. This might be an old food stain, so I don't know if it'll get it out, but let's check it out. I'm just gonna spray it down, and I'm gonna give that a few minutes, and then we'll blot it dry. Now, it's been a few minutes, you can still see the stains are there. I'm just gonna use an old rag and see if I can dab these up. Now again, I don't know how old these stains are. I pulled this out of my son's laundry, and it's an older t-shirt. And with harder stains, definitely don't expect miracles. As you well know, it may take a few rounds to get the stains out, but it did pull up a fair amount. Those are way lighter than they were. I'm gonna throw this in the wash and see how it comes out the other side. I can barely see the stain. You can see right there that there's just the slightest markings where it is. I'm pretty confident that if I spray it another time and do another wash, I can get rid of that completely. And I know this will be even better on fresh stains. So definitely give Messy Kids Stain Remover a try.